Okay, I did take that other trade that I had mentioned, and I went long right here. 250 shares, small amount. Looking strictly for a scalp. Strictly for a scalp at this point. It's currently, I don't know, 8 minutes past 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so there's less than an hour in the trading day, in the cash session. And the way this stock has been down, the NASDAQ, it's down 2.34%, 35%, 36% on the day. And TQs is down 7.3% roughly. I mean, this thing could just as easily just search for deeper and deeper lows of the day, and could quite potentially, for a major index, close on the low of the day on a day like today. Or it could pop. I mean, that 250 shares could have been a big winner in the end, because there's so much vol at this point on a day like today, especially after the big drop yesterday and the Fed coming out with what they came out with. I have zero interest at this point being in this stock and coming up to the close. So I exited right here at 84, 41.84. Added a few more dollars to my day. And let's see, where am I? Looks like I'm at 690 for the day. So I added a little bit more. I don't know, what was it, like $50? I don't remember the number I had before. I'll figure it out at the end when I post my final wrap for the day. So I got out at, what did I say, 84. Well, price went up to 93, so another 9 cents, and then the bottom came out of it. In the same candle, in the same 5-minute time frame. So that's the kind of volatility we have here with under an hour to go. On a day when the NASDAQ's getting trounced, just absolutely punished, 2 days in a row. Are we going to be bottom searching again? I don't know. Let's have a look. But I will say, on a day like today, the closer we get to the end of day at 4 o'clock, the less likely I'm even willing to take small 250 share scalps. Because I have seen, over the years I've been doing this, I've seen this thing on days like today where you could get long at an inflection point down in here, for instance. For instance, I'm watching another level at 41.50 on this particular ETF. And it could get down there, and you could go long at that inflection point, and then the bottom can just drop out. I mean, like crater. So I don't want that to happen. Now, granted, had I stayed in, I'd be riding this, but I would have also been down here, down, facing new lows of the day, which is not very appetizing to me, especially where I'm working hard to control my risk, to moderate my risk. And so I miss big candles like this. This candle is only 2 minutes and 20 seconds long out of a 5-minute candle, and look at the price action on it. Not bad. We're at 42.03. So, 40 cents in 2 minutes. With a 250 share trade, that's $100 in 2 minutes. But anyway, this thing looks like it is going to pop. Looks like we're going to get a boost. That's okay. I'm content to sit and watch at this point. Y'all have a good weekend.